tell Luke to get a ladder.
Can you get down? You little wuss.
Hey, you're the one that couldn't get down, you little wuss. This is scary. Mommy, if you're there. I'm sorry I died.
That's how far down we need to go.
Sarah, I can't do it. I can't.
She's dying. Actually, all we have to go down is like 10 feet. No, 5. Okay, I'm gonna be the brave one. I think I'm gonna. Which way should I go this way?
I think so, but then you'll slide easy.
I'm scared. If I die.
Here, I can hold the door this way a little bit. Here, let me get my foot down there and try to hold.
Falling.
I don't think I.
Wait, let me turn around.
Okay.
Get your foot. Now I'm completely. Look! Come! I got stuff in my... but we tried the big door. Luke!
Here.
Luke, run! Mom, can you go, Luke?
I'm gonna try it. Hey.
Where are you going?
Down the door.
That way's worse. Let me get...
Okay, alright, no. Okay, wait.
See, that's how rough the stupid barn shed is, so you like rub your knee against it. Woo! Thank you. Go get a ladder for us. We can't get down, JD.
You get the ladder.
Can you go get us a ladder, JD?
Jump down!
No.
I hate it. Hurts my feet. What are you doing?
Sarah, should I show you how to get down?
Hold the thing.
Guys, you get down there.
I know, but it rocks.
It moves.
I'll hold that.
Well, that's what we needed.
You guys should just jump instead of needing to get yourself all that.
Well, that was easy.
Dude, you don't need mom's permission for everything you do here.
Okay, Sarah, here,
Wait,
camera, and you hold it for him because you're stronger. Which way do I go?
Ouch! I did front. It works pretty good.
Okay. JD, I don't want you to hold it.
JD.
You're not very strong.
Yeah. He held it for me. He's about as strong as me. No, I'm just kidding. Little pumpkin Snickers.
Jump.
I'm scared.
You wouldn't have to be scared if you
Sit your butt on this, and then put your feet on there.
you get up.
But I can't hold on.
No. Hold your hand under here. Now get down.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Slide your butt onto the top door.
I'm scared. This is the moment of life.
Keep coming
Becca is dying.
Okay, alright. Scared. Okay, just be held this way a little bit. Okay.
Don't be scared, because I was trying to
Other little brother number 3.
Okay.
Number 1.
Well, they just
Hold it good, JD.
jump.
Hold it better. Not too
Jump!
strong.
Jump!
Okay, hold on. I'm gonna jump. Hold on. Okay, alright.
One
ready?
brother,
Two
one.
brothers.
Just jump ever. Go!
Go, Catherine.
Jump.
Okay.
I'm holding it. You're worse than a little girl that I know. She's only 2.
Luke, help him hold it. So just...
Ari?
Yes. Jump.
How was that, Rebecca?
Here, should I jump over there to there? how you do it.